Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best strip screw removal tool is probably one of the most essential tools for any DIY enthusiast or professional. Dealing with stripped screws can be incredibly frustrating, halting projects and causing unnecessary delays. This video will explore the top-rated strip screw removal tools, comparing their features, performance, and ease of use to help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Engineer PZ58 Screw Removal Pliers. Tired of stripped or rusted screws? This tool is designed to quickly extract them. Its unique jaws provide a secure grip, making the removal process simple. This can handle more than just standard screws. It's also effective on specialized and even tamper-proof screws. You'll be amazed at what it can remove. Unlike other pliers, this one features specially shaped and serrated gripping jaws. This design ensures that it won't slip, providing a firm hold on the screw. This tool is equipped with powerful side-cutting jaws. These jaws add to its versatility, making it a valuable addition to any toolbox. The innovative intermesh jaw teeth allow a firm grip, even on the thinnest of materials. This feature ensures precision and control during use. What we like. This plier's unique non-slip jaws are designed to firmly grip even the most stubborn screws. It can extract various screws, including those that are damaged or rusted. If you often deal with stripped or specialized screws, this is the perfect tool for you. It's built to provide a secure grip and make screw removal a breeze. What people say. These took it right out first try. Nice spring action opening. Great quality, very handy for removing screws that the heads are stripped out. I pulled about 50 plus rusted stripped head screws and the jaws are still as sharp as new. The plier helped me remove it than my other regular plier. And the design can let me hold it vertically while removing the screws and it was comfortable. After several use, I didn't see any damage on it, unlike my other cheap-made pliers. Number 4. Damaged Screw Extractor Set, Perfect Gifts for Men. Is your project halted by stripped screws? This set is the solution. It works with any drill and all screw sizes, making it easy to remove those stubborn screws. Using it is simple. Just drill a hole and then use the extractor to remove the screw. It's a straightforward process that saves time and frustration. Looking for a practical gift? This set is ideal for birthdays, Christmas, or Father's Day. It's a unique and useful gift that anyone would appreciate. Made from high-speed steel, this tool is built to last. It's designed to handle tough jobs and provide reliable performance. You can count on it for years to come. Don't let rusty or broken screws ruin your day. This set ensures you're prepared for any situation. It's a must-have for any DIY enthusiast or handyman. This screw extractor set is ready to be gifted to your loved ones. It reflects a fresh trend with fun and practical. Amazing and unique tool gifts for men and women. What we like. This extractor set works with any drill, making it incredibly versatile for any project. The two-step process simplifies the removal of damaged screws. If you're looking for a straightforward and reliable solution for removing stripped screws, this set is a great choice. It's designed to be user-friendly and effective for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. What people say. Followed the directions that came with them and they worked beautifully. I was able to back all of those screws out with minimal effort. Hit it with the center punch, tapped in the extractor and unscrewed the stud. Whole process took 5 minutes. I was frankly baffled at how easy to use and effective the product was at removing the stripped screw. Number 3. THINKWORK 39-piece Damaged Screw Extractor Set. Introducing the THINKWORK Extractor Set. This 39-piece kit is designed to remove damaged, rusted, and rounded off fasteners with ease. It's the perfect solution for your frustrating bolt removal problems. Made with high-hardness chrome-molybdenum steel and high-speed steel 6542, this set offers superior durability. The 68 HRC Max Rockwell hardness ensures it can handle tough jobs. This quality means it will last longer than other sets. Unlike other sets, this one covers a comprehensive size range from 2mm to 21mm. This wider range makes it suitable for more applications. It ensures you have the right tool for almost any job. The set comes with a user-friendly guide to get you started quickly. You can easily extract damaged bolts, nuts, and screws. It simplifies the process, saving you time and effort. The set includes a knockout pin, drill adapter, extractor adapter, and bit holder. These accessories provide greater versatility. They make the set adaptable to various tasks. A compact, heavy-duty blow mold case keeps everything organized. You can easily take the set with you on the go. This ensures that all the tools are always at your fingertips. What we like. This set is made from premium chromolybdenum steel, ensuring superior durability and performance. It offers a wide size range, accommodating various screw and bolt sizes. If you need a comprehensive and durable solution for removing damaged fasteners, this is the ideal choice. It's designed for those who demand the best in quality and versatility. What people say. I soaked the screw in penetrate fluid, relaxed for a few, then applied subtle but stern force with the extractor, and voila! I was able to back the screw out with almost no effort. Picked up this extractor set, just in case, one of those, better to have it and not need it, buys. Well, guess what? While working on my transmission valve body, the screw on the filter decided to round off like it was training for the Olympics. Enter, this glorious little kit. Saved my sanity and probably a few swear jars from overflowing. 10 mm from this set broke the bolt free within 10 seconds. I used it along with a 16 mm offset claw socket on the outer hex portion of the extraction socket, still needed a flex joint but at less of an angle. No damage to the extractor socket. Number 2. VMAN 33 PCS damaged screw extractor set. Introducing the VMAN 33 PCS damaged screw extractor set. This comprehensive set is designed to easily remove broken or stripped screws, making your repair work much easier. The set includes 10 drill bits, 10 screw extractors, and various Phillips and hex bits. This provides you with all the tools you need to tackle a wide range of damaged screws. Made from high-quality S2 steel, this set is built to last. The high hardness ensures durability and efficient removal of damaged screws. First, use a drill bit to create a clean hole. Then, use the extractor to remove the screw. It's suitable for various machinery repair work. This extractor set works with any drill and any size screw or bolt. It is suitable for various types of screws, including Allen bolts, machine screws, and more. Each extractor undergoes strict quality control and comes with a half-year warranty. The set is also equipped with a hard plastic box for easy portability and storage. What we like. This extractor set is made of high-quality S2 steel, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. It includes drill bits, making it a complete solution right out of the box. If you need a versatile and complete set for removing stripped screws and bolts, this is the perfect choice. It's designed to handle a wide range of applications, making it a valuable addition to any toolbox. What people say. This tool is a lifesaver when dealing with stripped screws. The tool's design allows it to grip and extract damaged screws effectively. It works on various screw sizes and types, making it versatile. Number 1. Easy Out Screw Extractor Kit, Professional Grade. This Easy Out Screw Extractor set is your solution. It quickly removes damaged, broken, or stripped screws. You can fix most fastener issues in seconds. The kit is made from high-speed steel HSS 4341 #, ensuring durability. It has a high hardness rating, making it a reliable tool for any job. This 12-piece set works with any drill and various screw sizes. It tackles most screw repair problems around your home, from wall panels to sheet metal. The kit works with many screw types, including Allen bolts, lag bolts, and wood screws. It meets all your needs for extracting various screws. The set includes an adapter bracket and extension rod for easy use. It comes with a convenient tool kit box for easy storage and portability. This makes the set easy to carry around. What we like. This set allows for easy and quick removal of damaged screws, saving you time and effort. It's made of high-quality HSS 4341 # steel, ensuring durability and reliability. If you're looking for a convenient and efficient solution for removing stripped screws, this is the ideal choice. It's designed to be user-friendly and effective for various projects. What people say. It's worked great every time. Most came out first try. They came right out. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.